ngai kublei phi brok khoi ngatrai phi lai la lut kini exam kini ki jingkeli bom tak si po Mairang kini basuk bha bat kini ki bala download habi haka ki video chunga paro khoi kini ki jingkeli da phi lai page kini playlist chunga te ngakermen ba phinya poi suka thong brok khoi te kini ki jingkeli bani kong the distance from Mairang to Kolangrok is kani kade khastau kilometer te kade ka more than 10 kilometer. Present Block Development Officer Matharasan CND Block S Kanede Shri W Masar. How many colleges are there in East and West Khasi district? Kanegade 3. Kidon Sautuli Jingsha Tambakaway Kampat Function Kampat Jok Pulang Class Wat ka Nihur Kampat Itu Kampat Tibra Teng Ithap de Banto Lightly. The present Honorable MDC of Paryong Matharasan District Council is Nede Pisok Klat. Hima Katsopra Kane Gade Bakanong Klau. Handicraft Village in East and West Khasi district is Kandrot. There are 5 members in the district committee. Haman ke district committee kariban 5 members, including chairman. The present superintendent of police is East and West Khasi district is Dangsan Karim. Kajaka kha jong of Panong Light, birthplace of Panong Light is Rimmai village. Tumbagade hangne option gre no Rimmai. Late Hopping Stone died on Arpundreo Banai Khandar Jakarta San. A is correct answer. There are 2 C and block in Eastern West Khasi district. The present chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board kune to umde kim hajingsha kamdon ye hak option tamba Shri Medbal ando ila dei teng I chairman jongka plan State Planning Board teng hap chu thok ka Shri Medbal ando. Pannong light fall located at kade hapo nong Ramai jan nong Klau sopan po nong Klau. Uttari CM died hapo Dhaka kade po Bangladesh. There are 11 PSC in East and West Khasi district. Full form of MRB kane tengete praha Meghalaya Rural Bank. When did Cricket World Cup started? World Cup started as name kaknai Spanyol number B is correct answer. The first Khasi Chief Minister of Meghalaya is Didi Pu. Nongkhalam Wildlife Sanctuary located in Ribhoi district kane kadan sport Ribhoi. The kaya jan hi berka East and West Khasi. Present Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya is President Tensong but Sobalangdar. When was East and West Khasi district inaugurated? Inaugurated haka Shpo Tarik Manai Bakharwe Arjar Phuwei. Late Skin Rebels Imle is associated with music educator Bakharon Paunam Jongri Khasi. Markhambali is also known as Light Murok. Light Murok kisah ong Markhambali but Karem Klabali is also known as Light Murok viewpoint. First Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi district is W. Nongsej, Wilfred Nongsej. The District Training Officer of Animal Husbandry Training Center is located at Maunai. Te ngatrai ngila rut brokhot te saya comment pi economics kumno ban personal interview te kuble shibun